to another shite review of a private server. Today, this is Rotmg tool. Laggy as fuck. So we're going to go to US server 2, even though I'm British. Right, let's have a look at the admin abusers. There's already a month. Seems okay so far. Yep, there we go. But I don't like that. I don't know if he's the owner, but yeah, look. No. There we go. Look, that. Yeah. I know Sorrow now was a dev. Okay, so credits, rotmgtool.com, blah 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 blah. Yeah, it's the website. It's not very nice. They do hacks. Okay. Right, so let's actually get into this. This is my friend Kieran's account. He's probably already done a review of this, but meh. Yeah, I do want to say straight away, this server is so laggy. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Those nice dies though. Hopefully it's actually gonna load up. Ow! Gonna load up. Next tutorial. That's helpful. Like right now it's laggy. Yeah. Yeah. Skeletal armor. Okay. I don't know if that's good. I prefer this to the horrible stuff of the fundamental cool. Yeah, this server's too laggy for me. Also, it's a rip-off of what do you call it? Rotmg Arcade, which I was a dev on. Not on Curinator. Come on. See? It's just... Right, I'm spamming the Nexus button. I'll even spam this. Okay. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Is that fucking Thor's hammer? Probably is, isn't it? Realm is quite nice. I want to say the server's actually alright if it wasn't for the lag. Come on. There we go. Let's check out the drop rate. Okay. Seems okay. Let's go for the red demon. Okay. That's good, I actually killed it. Yeah. The realms seem okay. But again, very laggy. This has a lot of speed for a wizard. Oh, of course. This server is so laggy. These are nice dies though. Kieran, you know what dies I like. Come on. Come on. Did you just see a fucking demon go across the screen? I'm gonna watch that back. Go, die. Spam. So when I disconnect, isn't it? Come on. Is it better? Ow. You know what? Fuck this. Okay. So this was Rotmg tool. Again, it's a good server. It's a rip off of Rotmg Arcade, but that is gone. This just what the fuck. I like the work of the edited bit, I guess. But this is the first time I got to play on this server, and it's just shit. Yeah. So thanks for watching, I guess, and subscribe for more videos, and they will be better than this.